I actually did not start my career as a business analyst. I have to tell you that it's a game changer because I feel like no 2 days are the same. Is what tools do business analysts use every day? My day usually starts with so it's a path strategy. You don't have to be technical to become a business analyst, but I'll give you two big challenges that I face on an everyday basis. Hi guys, this is Nishita and welcome back to my channel. Every single time I post about my work or a day in my life as a business analyst, I get a ton of questions asking about how did I become a business analyst, what do I do on an everyday basis. So I went ahead and picked the most asked questions from those videos, and today I'm going to be doing a Q&A session. Let's get started. I have the list of questions with me here, and the first question is, what exactly does a business analyst do? A business analyst basically acts as a bridge between the business and the technical teams. We understand what the business needs and translate that into clear requirements for the technical teams or the developers, test the solution, and also make sure what is delivered is actually what is required. So it's a part strategy, part communication, part problem solving, all rolled into one. The next question is, what tools do business analysts use every day? We use a mix of tools depending on the project. Sometimes it's Jira, sometimes it's Confluence, Azure DevOps, Excel, Power BI, and I've recently started using Monday.com, and I have to tell you that it's a game changer. I manage all my tasks, deadlines, and projects on custom boards. My favorite part personally is the automation, where I mark a certain project as done. It moves to completed, reminders go out automatically, and recurring tasks repeat on their own. It's made my work so much smoother and stress-free. I'm going to leave a link down below if you guys want to check out Monday.com as well. If you're looking for a great project management tool, then this is the one. Next up, what does a typical day look like for you? My day usually starts with a stand-up wherein the entire team gathers and we discuss about what's going on, if there are any roadblocks for the project and things like that. I'm currently working on multiple projects, so I have multiple stand-ups in the morning. Then I go through emails, update my task boards, and review new requirements. I also spend my major chunk of the time testing changes, documenting updates, and meeting with stakeholders. It's a mix of structure and unpredictability because I feel like no 2 days are the same. The next question is, how did you become a business analyst? I actually did not start my career as a business analyst. In my initial career days, what I did was I took up tasks which were heavy on analytical skills and documentation. Over time, I learned more about requirements gathering, testing, and business processes. If you're interested to become a BA, I would suggest you to start where you are, build your analytical and communication skills. And also another thing to keep in your mind is to make sure to let your leader or your manager know that you are interested in a business analyst role and to direct any available role towards you in case they've come across any. Next, what do we have here? Do you need to be technical to become a business analyst? Not necessarily. You don't have to be technical to become a business analyst, but it's always good to have basic knowledge in terms of SQL, API, or understanding how systems interact. What's even more important are your soft skills, asking the right questions, documenting clearly, or even communicating with your business teams and your technical teams effectively. What part of your job do you enjoy the most? I love problem solving. When an issue comes up, we actually find a solution that improves how people work. I also kind of enjoy testing because I feel like it's like detective work, making sure everything functions as expected before it goes live. What are the biggest challenges of being a BA? I'll give you two big challenges that I face on an everyday basis. The first one being managing changing requirements. What the business wants can evolve halfway through a project. And the next one is actually being able to switch your mind after every single call that you take. So as a BA, I have so many meetings on an everyday basis, and it's kind of challenging to switch the tabs in your brain one after the other and to also balance priorities across other teams. The next question is, how do you communicate effectively with developers and stakeholders? The key is clarity. I use user stories, acceptance criteria, and visuals like process maps and screenshots. With developers, I make sure that all the requirements are detailed. With stakeholders, I concentrate more on the business impact rather than technical jargon. It's all about speaking each group's language. What advice would you give someone who wants to start a BA career? Start by understanding how the process flows, what problems exist, and how the data supports decision. Basically, you need to understand how the business works. As a beginner, you can also start taking beginner BA courses, watch tutorials on YouTube. YouTube also has case study videos which are great if you're starting off as a business analyst, and also practice writing requirements or test cases or use cases. And don't underestimate networking. Like I've mentioned before, make sure your leader or your manager is aware of your interest. Sometimes your first BA role may come to you from someone who has seen your interest and your work. Next question is, do you regret being a BA? What's one thing you wish you knew earlier as a BA? That communication is everything. You can be great at analysis, but if you don't ask the right questions, or for that matter, if you're not able to clear off assumptions early on, then there could be a lot of things that can go bad. So over time, I've learned that it's okay to over communicate so that you can save up some time later on. I feel like even small clarifications can save up ton of time later on. Those were some of your top questions about being a business analyst. I hope I've answered most of them. If you have any more questions, make sure you drop them in the comments below. I'll do another QA session very soon. Bye.